Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can enable the negative review alert notifications on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So after opening the app, here we need to go to the me option or our profile option. On the bottom right corner we can see the me option right there. Just tap on the bottom right corner. So when we reach here we can see the notification setting option. On the right side of the manage marketplaces option, we can see the notification setting option. Just tap on it. So after reaching here we can see the negative reviews alert option right there. Just tap on it. And here we can see the all stores option. Just tap on it. So this is how we're gonna enable the negative reviews alert notification on Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.